this is Bharti. Welcome to our VBS EdTech YouTube channel. Today is our part 2, which is the extended part of SEO. So today I'll be explaining you a little more on what is the basics of SEO. Okay, so let's start. So the first one is on-page and off-page SEO. So when you come to SEO, there are these two kinds. These two types are there. So let's understand what is on-page SEO and what is off-page SEO. So on-page and off-page SEO are two fundamental aspects of search engine optimization that collectively contribute to a website visibility and ranking in search engine result pages. Okay, so on-page SEO revolves around optimizing element directly on your website to enhance its search engine visibility. So, and off-page SEO involves activities connected outside your website to enhance your credibility and authority. So, in on-page SEO, you will be directly working on your website. So, if it is a WordPress website, you will be working on the plugins and all. And if it is a coded website, it's a hard-coded website, you will be working on changing some of the tags, changing the meta tag, working on the head title, working on the description, working on the keywords. So that whatever you are doing directly on your website, coding and that part is known as on-page SEO. While you go for off-page SEO, it is related to creating backlinks, creating your media presence. All that part comes on your off-page SEO. Okay, social media presence, social citation, all that comes on the off-page SEO as you are not working on your website directly, but you are creating backlinks, creating back support for your website. That all thing comes in the off-page SEO. Okay, now let's move on with the key strategies of on-page SEO. Let's understand the strategies which we can use for on-page SEO. The first one is meta tags. So title tags and clickable headlines. What is the title tag? Let's understand that first. So title tags are clickable headlines that appear on search engine result page. So whenever you can see the title tag in your tab bar. So whenever you are clicking on the website, there is some title for that. There is some title for that particular website, right? So that part is known as title tag. So that contains the summarizing of a content of the particular web page. So they should contain relevant keywords and accurately describe the page content to attract user attention. So if the page which you are showing particular is related to AWS, so the title tag should also contain few information about AWS so that the SEO ranking goes up, and also it intend to give a good user experience to the user, and you have more targeted users and your performance increases. Okay, next let's understand content optimization. What do you mean by optimizing? Optimizing means improving on daily basis, or improving on whatever obstacles come to you, you are improving on those obstacles. You are getting clear with those obstacles. That is known as optimization. So how you can optimize your content? Content optimization involves creating valuable and engaging content that incorporates relevant keyword naturally. So the content which you are posting should not be copy pasted from some other website. Yes, we can always use the resources, but always customize it to what your company is doing and what information you are trying to provide to the client. Okay, so you need to customize the raw content which you receive from Wikipedia or any source files, right? You should always have to customize according to what your company needs. And engaging content that incorporates relevant keywords naturally. Yes, so I was giving an example of AWS course page, right? So related to AWS, there will be so many keywords which we have in the market. So we should always use those keywords so that we can naturally give a good performance to the particular page. It utilizes header effectively and maintain a seamless flow. We should use the header element properly to do this. Okay. So let's move with the next one, which is URL structure. We should always create a very clean, concise, and descriptive URL and reflect the content hierarchy. The URL which you are creating for your sub pages should always be very clean and it should be understandable by the user. He should get clearly an idea to which pages he is navigating and what information he is getting in that page. Whole part should come in the URL. Okay, now let's move with the header tag. Header tag employ the head tags of HTML, which are H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, and H6. It organizes the content hierarchy. So according to the SEO rules set, in a particular page, we should always have a single H1 tag. And from H2 to H6 tags which exist in HTML, that tags can be repeated infinity number of times, but there should be only one particular H1 tag in the whole page. And what do you mean by content hierarchy? So content hierarchy is nothing but if on the top of the page you have used H1 tag to display some element. So when you are coming down to subtopics, you should be using H2 tag. The same way when you come to the middle bottom and there is more subtopics under that subtopic, again you should be using a header tag which is lower to that. So that part comes in the header tags. Okay. So next is understand about image optimization. So how we can improve the image quality and how we should do that. So optimize images by using descriptive file name and alt text. So all the images which are there in your folders which you are deploying to the server should be named properly. The name should not be the name should not have junk between them. Suppose the same example I can tell you, if there is an image related to AWS, the file name of that particular image should also be related to AWS, AWS course, AWS structure, anything related to that. Okay, so this is not only improved accessibility, but also additional content to the search engine. So when the search engine is trying to read your website and push to the user, at that particular time, it will be very helpful to the search engine and your website will always try to come up. And with that, we should always use the alt text. So in alt text, we should give the information related to that particular image so that the performance is automatically coming up. In this way, you can optimize your images. Okay, let's move with the next one, which are key strategies of off-page SEO. So we have link building. What is link building? Cultivate a robust backlinks profile by acquiring high-quality, relevant inbound links. Quality often outweigh quantity. So link building is nothing but you have to create some outer link for your website. The simple example can be the Quora. So what happens? The people are commenting on somebody's question, they're answering to somebody's question at that particular time. What is happening? And you're typing the answer there, and you can just type to read more information. Kindly visit our website, right? So in that way, we are doing nothing, but we are creating backlinks. So there are multiple websites like these where you can go and create backlinks for your website. So all that part comes in the link building part. Now let's understand what is social media signals. So leverage social media platforms to amplify your content reach and engagement. Social signals such as like, share, and comments contribute to your website's prescribed authority. Yes. So social media signals. So you will be posting information about your services which you are doing or a product which you are making and selling. All the information will be in the social media, right? So those posts should always have a high quality of likes, should have shares, and also should have comments. So this indirectly contributes to your website. So people, when they visit your website and they go to your social profile to check what the services the company is providing and what are the products it is providing and how many people are satisfied, how many people have reviewed them, all that part plays a very important part. So this is why social media signals are important. Okay, so let's move to the next one, which is nothing but online review and citation. So it encourages positive online review and ensures accurate business information across online directories. Local citations and positive reviews contribute to improve local ranking. So Google profile business exists. So this is something which you can use for online review by citation. People should always provide a very good reviews on your website. People can comment, people can share photos, and all that part people has to do it. You guys have to do it, so that improves our citation. And obviously if you have more reviews online in your online presence, it indirectly would help definitely for the website. Okay, so next one is brand mentions. Let's understand what is that. Monitor and encourage brand mentions across the web. Even with the direct link, search engines consider brand mention as a signal of authority and relevance. Yes, so if you have tie-up with some brands particularly, you can always take their name, you can always include them in your website. This will help search engine help you to rank better in your particular website. Okay. Let's move with next one. That is, let's understand what was the keynote on SEO. So mobile optimization, yes, to ensure your website is mobile responsive and offers a seamless experience. This device, a mobile friendliness is a crucial ranking factor. Yes, so you have, if you want to really change your SEO performance drastically, your website should definitely be a mobile optimized website. As we know, majority people nowadays have a smartphone, and majority people are using the internet, and they are browsing the internet through their mobile screen. So whatever website you have designed, whatever any product you have designed, online product you have designed, should be always mobile optimized, so that people get a good user experience and performance of the website. So for that reason, mobile optimization in today's generation is very important. Thank you for watching our video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Help us grow. And if your video was useful, please share it with your friends. Thank you.